Bolingo lekingao Angela ekosangana zuwa maladie nalinga mibalika sina soki nafuka mie painae kata devisita pamo pesanga shongo langu isingana we papa libaliko mikaka la bondela elongwe kutuko bondele komina samelaka mokilingwa makamwe belenga na kanisa mingie nanzengi nanzambe na sungangai bona vanda na shongo mobali kamwe linga kamwe si shongo azonga kasimate mama ye na milelinzo to nangai na mikabina santana na milelinzo to nangai
wow
na mikabina santana
wow wow I never knew you have such a great voice.
Choir, church choir.
Church choir.
I don't have a voice to sing, but this one. Every Saturday we are live with MC Omari. Starting what time again?
Sato.
Sato
ni 9 p.m. Watu wa Mombasa lazima ni wakubwe.
You guys don't forget to subscribe also on his channel. Please follow us, follow him, follow me. Kindly.
Enda pale TikTok.
And every Saturday. Kwa live ya Omari.
Yeah.
MC Omari.
MC Omari Nash.
Saa 3.
Wait, don't be so limited. MC Omari Nash.
MC Omari Nash dakongudi nigichak kore litario tofauti cha kurungi. You guys I got it. Msikose kukua kwa live. Kila Saturday saa 3. Asanteni.
Very good. Alright, karibuni sana. This is our normal show, Super Sato. As usual, today is Saturday and I have a guest here. I told you that this is a platform that you can meet those people that you are longing to see. You can talk to those people that you are longing to talk to, and maybe ask questions that you are willing. We are always hosting different people from different parts, different sectors. We have comedian, we have the dancers, we have the businessmen or women. We also host politicians. And so if you are there, you can as well tell us the person that you wanted to host in the next episode, and we shall respond as soon as possible. Today, my guest, the guest of today, is not just any other person but a very famous lady. This lady has been in different parts of this country. She has been trending in different social media platforms, especially those who are in TikTok. She's known as Veronica Salt. She's here. She's going to give us a brief story, how she began and how she has been doing her work up to now. Come with me to hear the story of this talented lady, Veronica Salt. All right, she's here with me. Karibu sana. Karibu sana.
Asante sana.
Now, I've just been seeing you trending in different social media sites. People have been sharing your clips, and these people do not know that you are the one. I believe that even as we talk like this, kuna wengine ambao bado hawakujui, hawakutambui. Hey. So what's your name?
Jina Veronica Otieno.
Veronica Otieno.
Yes, or Otieno Veronica Apondi.
Otieno Veronica.
Name. Yes.
Otieno Veronica Apondi. Or Epondi. Is it Apondi or Epondi?
Nikisema Kijaluo, Apondi.
Apondi.
But if I'm speaking in English, then it's Epondi.
Epondi. All right. So, okay. Is that the name that you're using in TikTok?
Not really. Not really. It's only on Facebook.
On Facebook.
Veronica Otieno.
Veronica Otieno.
Like each and every other social media platform, I use VEROANN Salt. VEROANN. So it's VEROANN Salt. Salt chumvi.
VEROANN Salt.
So I heard you say Veronica Salt. Allow me correct you. It's VEROANN salt.
VEROANN salt.
Yes, that's.
I know.
Vero.
Actually, I just did it to ensure that you called Veronica or something, because you know when it is VEROANN salt, I was asking myself, and it is good that you are here. You are telling us the real name. That is
Veronica Otieno. Veronica Pondi Otieno.
But is it different with what I said?
You know, let me tell you, we go by technology, and you know, someone's name, for instance, is, you know, Nash, exactly. Okay.
Like I'm Nation, but I call myself Nash.
Nash, yeah. Joan, Jojo.
Yeah. Adiambo Joan. Adis Jojo.
Adis Jojo.
Yeah.
You got it. Yeah. But VEROANN, Veronica, just that Veronica. I just took Vero. My mom's name is Ann. So I'm a copyright of my mom, so just decided to
all right.
VEROANN.
VEROANN salt.
Yeah.
VEROANN salt.
Yeah.
Okay, VEROANN salt, tell us the name. Where do you come from? You've just told us the name, but now where's the home? Nyumbani.
Nyumbani, mimi nimetoka. Mimi Mjaluo kutoka Sakwabondo.
Sakwabondo.
Kapio. So you can call me Nyakapio.
Nyakapio. Nilikuwa na huyu mwingine anaitwa Pamidi comedian. Asoro pia aliniambia kuwa anatoka Sakwabondo.
Sisi ni majirani, so sorted from Sakwabondo.
So it's like you people are so talented.
We thank God.
Okay.
Thank God. Raila is also talented. Just so you know. So
Heko to baba.
Heko to baba, by the way.
Aweti anasema azumuo.
Azumuo?
Ni azumuo.
Okay.
Sisi sote ni wale wa azumuo. All right. So, tell me something little about family background. Where are you only one child, or how are you in your family? How many are you? I mean, in your family, mko wangapi hivi?
Niseme tuko wanne ama tuko wawili, because that question is always difficult. Okay, do you live how many are we? I have to think how many are we plus parents?
Okay.
Ama watoto peke yake. If you're including parents too, then we are 4.
Okay. Anytime you are asked such a question, they don't include parents, because we know very well that you can
exist already.
Yeah. You cannot just exist without the parents. Okay.
Yeah, sure, that makes sense.
It means for you to be existing, you were given birth to.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Hata kama ni ile ya lab, but that's those that were involved.
Okay, we are 2. I have a brother, 5 years older, and then I'm the last born.
Oh,
yeah.
Actually, it's true. You're a last born. Your behaviors, you know.
I know, I'm very mature. If that's what you're trying to say, I'm very mature. I just don't like showing it.
Oh, okay. We shall talk behind the camera. Yeah, behind the camera. I'll come and maybe ask you. Now, tell me something little about maybe your educational background. Where did you learn? Where did you go to school? When we talk of primary school, hata tukianza kwa chekechea chekechea.
Nilisoma.
Which school?
Githeri limwagika. Kijalo tunasemanga nyochano pukre. Nilisoma sana.
Where?
Shule ya chekechea, actually nilisomea shule mbili. Si kwa msumbufu, wazazi walihama.
I've not talked. I've not talked.
I know
I've not talked.
I was a very good baby.
Acha tu nikwambie, anytime umesikia mtu amekwambia eti not in one school.
That applies sana high school.
Hata kama niko na kampuni, you want to join the Team Omari, nakwambia I'll look.
Okay, I take back my words. Shule ni moja.
No. Okay. Umesema zilikuwa mbili, but not because maybe you are stubborn or something.
No, my parents had to relocate.
Ni vile tu wazazi wali
relocate, so distance ikakuwa shida, and now they had to relocate me to a nearby school.
So where was that?
First of all, I'm born and raised in Mombasa. Yeah. Bwana sijakwambia Kiswahili. Mimi nikianza kuzungumza Kiswahili utashtuka. Sipendi kujionyesha.
Hamna shida, hata jinangu ni Swahili. Omari.
Baada ya unajua unakuwa na shangao unaitwaje Omari, lakini kambe Jaluo kama unajua Kiswahili kimekutatiza kidogo, lakini
la hasha. Niko sawa. Niko fiti, niko fresh.
Kwa hivyo nayo nao tu.
Tunasema ni teke ukekende.
So yeah, I was born and raised in Mombasa, and nilisomea PEFA. There's a school by the name PEFA. It was a very small one. PEFA Academy. And then we had to relocate.
PEFA of the church, or maybe that one was just abbreviation of that school?
Wow.
Because
Wow.
we have PEFA church.
And I think the owner of that school used to be from that PEFA church. Maybe that's why he called it. Honestly, I can't even remember. You know, I was a baby.
What you know is that the school
was
called
PEFA.
PEFA.
Yeah. Wow. Now I'll go ask my mom. Maybe listen me a PEFA. And then, now I've remembered. Apparently, I didn't even school in 2 schools. In 3. So it's PEFA, and then Broadway Academy, and then went to St. Kevin Hill. That's where I completed my studies.
Oh, so you are Bontao. No
50-50.
wonder you have a light skin, huh?
No, this is my family background.
Oh, they were brown.
This from not all of them, but I happen to be one of the light ones. I'm not that light, but back at home, I'm the light skin.
So VEROANN sold?
Yes.
Oh, how did it come from Mombasa to Nairobi? So did you after the kindergarten? What about primary school? Still in Mombasa?
Yeah, still in Mombasa. I completed my primary studies in Mombasa, did my KCPE, and then afterwards I was called to Nyamira in Bondo, Nyamira Girls High School.
Nyamira Girls.
That's where I studied. And then from Nyamira, now I went to Moi University, Eldoret, main campus, KSS.
I'm talking to a graduate.
It's not a big deal nowadays. Everyone goes to school. It's
Never see somebody dancing on TikTok. Alafu dhani eti huyu jamaa labda ana kili blah blah blah.
It's not a big deal. Nowadays everyone just goes to school and then, you know,
Moi University.
Yeah, Moi University.
Sa yako si ile ya Facebook, mtu anaenda hapo ana update tu.
Moi University.
Moi University, alafu ukimuuliza unakutana na huyo jamaa. Unasema sina huyo jamaa. Alafu unamuuliza,
nilisomea Moi.
Kwani Moi iko wapi? Moi hata message.
Ziko ama atakwambia ziko mingi. Ina depend. Nataka mimi nilisomea main campus Moi, KSS, Eldoret. LD. So I think schooling ndio imefanya nikatoka Mombasa. Okay, during the holidays, December holidays, tulikuwa tukienda Ushago. I used to say Bara, but now that I'm in Nairobi, now it's Ushago. So each and every December we used to go to Ushago. So that's where I had to learn, you know, the Luo I can speak right now and a bit of English. Compared to primary, ilikuwa nasema, you know, me don't like it. I went and then I went. I got tired. Nikachoka.
Kwa sababu
that's how we say lahaja. That's how we speak English back at home. And then I think school nikafanya nikajua now there's this different way.
Exactly.
Of speaking. So that's where I got my
but
information.
You've not told us what
I did ICT. Computer science, apparently it's computer science. No majors. I know people are waiting for me to say I majored in this. No majors. So just did computer science. Bachelor of Science in Computer Science.
All right.
And then from that, I graduated in 2019. I came back home. Home now is Mombasa, where I just stayed kidogo. Now, you know, I've been, let me say 80% of my life has been in Mombasa.
So as we talk, parents are still there?
Yeah, parents are still there in Mombasa. As much as mom decided to relocate kidogo, let her go try and, you know, the poor though, the farming.
The poor the thing.
Yeah, but she keeps coming and going.
Naelewa mi pia nishakuwa Mombasani. Nilikuwa naishi matako madogo.
Ndo wapi jamani, mbona mimi sikusikia?
Ni kama wewe haujatembea.
Sijatembea kweli.
Mimi nilikuwa matako madogo.
Actually wazazi wangu are strict. I have very strict parents. And that's why I didn't Mombasa nimekuja kujulia kama shakuwa mkubwa. Now that I can use my own transport, I can go out with my friends. But initially it was me in the house. My father didn't want us to go play outside. So ilikuwa ni sisi vitabu. Now you study, after studying, nenda go watch news. Sachiel, tuko hapo ni news, saa 3 ni news. He wants us to boresha our Swahili and our English. So
let me ask you, you've been in Mombasa for the better part of your life. Then you went to Eldoret when you were joining for campus. Your course, huh?
Yes.
Then how did it come that you are now in Nairobi? Was it a job? Was it connection? Did you come to visit somebody? Because you know, every person has a different story how he or she came to Nairobi. You get that?
Most of it is always, you know, looking for jobs, but mine was the other way around. I came to upgrade my schooling. So I came to add my knowledge. So I came back to study. I'm at a Borderless Initiative. What the
Border Initiative.
Borderless Initiative.
Borderless.
They offer this course by the name GRE. GRE is Graduate Record Examination, where you only do, it's pure English and mathematics. It's this course that you have to pursue so that you can have your masters outside.
Hey, leo ni kunoma. Mathematics, English.
Pure English and mathematics.
If you are not in pi squared, then you must be in grammar.
You must be in grammar, and it's serious grammar. You don't it's wow, it's
purely grammar.
Pure grammar. And
So,
it's not just grammar, it's a British. They need you to drink water, not water.
Water. That is where you say maize flour, not maize flour.
Exactly, not maize flour. You say
maize
something
flour.
so sat-a, not something so small. So you have to
something
so sat-a. But you write it at sat-a.
Hey.
So I didn't manage to complete anyway. Corona happened because that was 2020.
All right.
And then after Corona happened, I had to go back home again, Mombasa, as we waited for, there was no more gatherings.
Actually, you are confusing him because anytime you talk of home, with me, I'm only thinking of Utange, Utange, Puodo, Siaya, Migori. But on your side, I had to go back home, Mombasa.
I had to go back in Mombasa.
So you are currently staying in Nairobi?
Yeah, I'm staying in Nairobi.
But you are not pursuing your course. So
no,
what
I'm
do you
actually
do?
working. I'm working for AUA Industria. AUA Industria. I know people want to know what it means, or whether it's an abbreviation. Of course, it's an abbreviation, but it's not something to do with. Okay, it's just an abbreviation of three names, three Indians.
What?
So it's Amar, Udes, Amit. Those are three brothers.
Amar, Udes, Amit.
AUA Industria. So we deal with security systems, cameras, anything to do with security, CCTV installation, fire system, electric fence, anything, call it, and then parking systems, the bollards, barriers, spikes, anything to do with security that we handle. So I'm a second line ICT customer support.
I think that's why I was told to go to school. Can you imagine? You are interviewing somebody that is saying things that you don't understand. Bollards.
Let me tell you. You see barriers, parking. There's this thing that just comes up, and then your vehicle passes, and then a barrier. Yeah. And in airports or maybe malls
and actually in most cases it's automatic.
It's automatic. It's always automated. Yeah. So for instance, Sarit, they have bollards. It's like poles that are just erected, and then when there's a car coming, it senses the number plate, reads it to the system. We know it's number plate this that belongs to this guy, and then if that guy has an access, the bollards go down and the car passes.
Hapo ni akili nani? Sio nguvu.
Technology.
Hapo ni akili nani?
So we do anything to do with security that we handle.
All right.
Yeah.
So okay, you'll tell these people how they will get you, because you don't know who is watching. Maybe there is somebody that is very in need of such a thing, and people are different. You can't just trust anyone. Sometimes you can trust somebody with the security purposes. You only to realize that you are introducing a stranger into your territory, or maybe so maybe you'll tell them how they can get you. So that's what you do in Nairobi.
That's what I do in Nairobi. Yeah, and in the meantime, I handle other. You cannot just live with whatever it is you've been employed with. So
you have other side hustle.
Yeah, I do interior design, interior decor. You can just give me an empty house, I'll sort it out for you. I'll just tell you need this here. I charge for that anyway.
All right.
Yeah.
But for me, you'll do it for free so that they see.
I have to do that because that's kind of marketing. So I'll be helping you help me.
All right.
Yeah. So
all right.
I can do.
All right. Now, VEROANN salt.
Yes.
And TikTok. How did the salt come first? Salt.
My father gave me that name. He's not even aware. But I'm one person who is full of moods. And salt itself. When assuming you're cooking without salt, when you prepare food without salt, are you going to eat that food?
No,
you won't. And assuming you've cooked it and then you've put it in excess, are you going to eat it?
No,
then you won't. So that's how my father terms me. So he says, my daughter is a very good person. The only problem is with her, her character. you just annoy her just a little bit, and now she's exploded. You can't take her, and then when she's not even there, there's no life in the room. So as we speak, my home is, I'm sorry to say this, if my parent comes across this, without me at home, it's always boring. So I'll get into a room, people are silent.
So you're like a salt to that family.
Salt to that family, and he called me Lulu. I'm bright, it's a diamond. I'm always sparkling hearts and lives. And that's how he did.
For those people who are watching this show, we really appreciate what you can do. Share. And you can as well go and check the person that I'm talking to. You know, sometimes I know some of you do not know who the person is. The person is a very talented lady. In fact, on my side, I never knew that you are such a learned person, because you know, in most cases, those people that you see are trending, they do blah blah. Sometimes you get that some of them are not so good in class.
Yeah.
I'm sorry to say this, but it's true, because there is a say that goes that, you know, God cannot give you everything.
Yeah.
So sometimes you've been given a talent, or maybe you are a star somewhere. Like when you are learning, you could get that there are some people who are really good players, but when it comes to class, my friend, ask them of moles.
Kila mtu na nyota yake. But then, you know, no, I strongly feel moles is a very easy subject. The only problem is the fact that you get into school and then the superior people start telling you, unasema nini? Mnajifanya tumepata 80%, 90%. Wacha patane na moles.
Leave alone that. You are in class 7. But already you have the story of moles.
Of moles. Now you go.
Somebody anakwambia, okay, unaringa hapa just because you are getting 70, you are getting 90, you are getting 98 in science. Okay, we shall see what you get.
In moles. They're the ones actually killing our spirits in this, but I don't believe it's really difficult. As much as I failed.
How did this TikTok thing came?
Corona, thank God. I always say it came as a blessing, and again it came as something else. It was a disaster in blessing, because it came, everything went down, people lost their jobs, schools were closed, everything just went down. Yeah. But now the fact that you know, you have nowhere to go, you cannot go to school, you cannot go shopping, everywhere is closed. All you have to do is stay in the house. But then again, the English people say an idle mind is the devil's workshop. So during this period is when you start thinking, ama nipatane na marafiki zangu tuende hii place, ama hii, and then now TikTok just came. It's something that was there before Corona. Yeah. But the fact that Corona was there and people were indoors got them busy. Personally, I used to stay with a roommate at Ngara, the name Cleo Quincy. I think she's at 100k followers right now. Cleo Quincy. She does Afrobeats, reggae. She's really known on TikTok.
After this,
I look for her.
I want to promise these people that I'll be bringing you.
Cleo Quincy.
Cleo Quincy.
Yes, she's called Cleopatra.
She is at
100k followers.
Wow.
As we speak, maybe more now. Yeah. So I used to see her do her thing, and I was like, I can do this. I started with my sister by the name Santa. People know her as Omwameri. So she's the one who used to come to my place, and then we do 1, 2, 3. And then she went back to school. Also, she studied at Moi. That is her own part. Yeah. So, and then after I went home, now it was just me in the house. My father is going to work. My brother is going to school and work. My mom is at home. Now it's just me and the house.
Pardon.
I had to do the TikTok.
It was thing. You and
the house.
Kama si nyumba ni wewe.
Kama si mimi bado ni nyumba.
Then came a third person, your phone.
Yeah, and then my phone. Then I realized, I can do something with my spare time. Not even spare, with my time, because I didn't have any other thing.
You are there.
I was always there.
Not 24. Not 36.
100%. So I decided, let me go through the TikToks, and then I said, I'll also do this.
I can as well try.
Yeah, but I started with challenges, and then I realized this is not what I want. I just can't do something because everyone is doing it. You get? Yeah. So I need to stand up on my own, and however much I'll stand up on my own, I can also be doing the other challenges, but I don't feel them. I'll tell you personally, I loved Rumba, not because I loved Rumba. It's because one thing, I don't know how to dance. So those other songs, I'm a bit outer. Secondly, I don't know how to. Okay, I'm a noisemaker naturally. They say I just. So I just needed something to cool myself down. And then growing up, my father used to, from Mombasa to
not to cool you down, but to accommodate you.
To accommodate me, yeah. So being that we came from Mombasa too, so we used to travel. My dad used to drive from Mombasa to Siaya. During this process here, this journey, it's rumba. He's not even putting that. He's putting rumba. And then I used to listen to it without even knowing, without wanting. And then I started just singing my own things, because definitely I don't know the lyrics. Thanks to YouTube and Google, we can now get the lyrics and the translation. That's exactly what I showcase to people right now.
Sometimes I see you are singing, and if I look at your lips, they are going with those words. With me, even if you tell me just to do one, I cannot.
You can't.
I can't.
I sing them.
People see me to be a very good dancer, but I was not a dancer. I did not know how to dance. Then I came to meet this my friend Aloji Panoran, who introduced me to Ohangla thing. So that's why I love Ohangla. It was the only music. It was the only music that came to my life. Because my dad is so holy, and as I talk, I'm very sorry. My child to a pastor.
That's nice.
Yeah, my mom also is a very staunch Christian.
Right.
Yeah, that if something wrong can maybe approach her, the only word she can say is Jesus.
Jesus. Oh my God.
Yeah, only those.
Oh my God. I get it. Yeah.
Here comes a child whereby body wewe swagger. Yeah, it is because I'm such a person that I want to know more.
But people are different. You can't be something because your parents are. Because like me, my mom is a Japonch kanisa. Mwalimu wa kanisa. My father is an introvert, so I can't keep quiet because he's an introvert while I'm an extrovert. Everyone just comes with his or her own character, and you have to live by it.
So, as we talk, you know how to sing them, or you just follow? Is there a certain song that you can just sing for us, and you say that is that way?
Yeah, so many. I don't know. There's so many now. I have choosing it is going to be a problem.
No, you can take your phone and maybe you tell us one.
No, I'll just sing one specific one that I always love. It's always so emotional, and I think I don't know. I just loved it. There's so many, but I'll just do this emotional one. Pesa position, and it's of course someone is looking for love.
Yeah.
So this is how it goes. Bolingole kingao Angela, ekosangana zuwa maladie. Nalinga mibalika sina soki, nafuka mie painae. Kata devisita pamo pesanga, shongo langu isingana we papa. Libaliko mikaka la bondela, elongwe kutuko bondele komina samelaka. Mokilingwa makamwe belenga na kanisa mingie. Nanzengi nanzambe na sungangai, bona vanda na shongo. Mobali kamwe linga kamwe si shongo, azonga kasimate mama ye. Na milelinzo to nangai, na mikabina santana. Na milelinzo to nangai.
Wow.
Na mikabina santana.
Wow. Wow. I never knew you have such a great voice.
Church choir.
Church choir.
I don't have a voice to sing, but this one for church.
What I've come to realize is that church is a very big industry.
Yeah.
Because even most of the artists that I've come across, you realize that walianza kanisani. Yeah. Kuna mwingine alianza tu from there anatunga zake.
Yeah, anaanza kuimba yake.
Anatunga zake.
Yeah,
so why is it that you've not thought of maybe writing one of your rumba and you produce? Because I see you can sing.
I don't just believe in myself. That's exactly what I normally say. And even though whatever you people normally see is always people normally push me. Why don't you do this? Why don't you do this? Try this out. I just feel like I don't believe in myself enough to take up something. But if at all I can get to that point, I'm sure I'll deliver.
Yeah.
So maybe I'll still think about it. You see, as you speak, I don't even have a YouTube channel.
Right.
Something that people are, hey, you're not serious.
Like, I just wanted to ask you that where can I get them apart from TikTok? Exactly. That is where I was heading to.
See, for instance, I got into Instagram, I think, immediately after school, 2014. And then I decided, let me get into Instagram. I didn't even know how to use it until last month, I guess. That's when I started. No, actually, until last year, I started posting things. I don't know much, 200 followers. 200, not 200,000, 200 followers.
200 followers.
Yeah, and then Facebook, I started posting once in a while. And Facebook is also doing well.
Do you have your page?
I don't have a page again. I only have my own account. My personal account, which is Veronica Otieno. So, and then Twitter, I don't even, actually Instagram, I'm having 2,000, I think 500 followers. I meant Twitter is what I don't have. I'm still learning it. That's why I have 200 followers. So apart from Facebook, I think TikTok is exactly what I do mostly, and that's why I have so many followers. I think if I start doing some other things on these other channels, I'm going to be well. So these other channels, by the way, you can find me in VEROANN Salt, except Facebook. So Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, I think those are the only ones. That's VEROANN Salt. Facebook is Veronica Otieno. Yeah. Yes.
Then as we talk, how many followers are you having on TikTok?
Wow, I think 65,000. Unless I didn't check the past, I've not been there for the past 2 days. I didn't check. So as 65,000.
65,000.
Maybe as we speak, maybe it can be 65 point something, 65.2 or 3. Yeah.
And do you know that we are a celeb?
No, I don't. I don't believe. Maybe that's not the exact name, but the fact that I normally meet people in the streets and they're like, Rumba, hey, a selfie. Kind of feel they know me a little, but I'm not a celeb.
Okay, then we differentiate, between maybe the celeb and the artist and blah blah. It depends with you. Yeah. There is maybe the way I define it is different with you.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, it is, of course.
Okay, so to you, you're not a celeb.
I'm just someone a few people know.
But you have 65,000 people following you. 65.
A celebrity, for me, I don't know. A celebrity is someone I think who is outside there. Just say outside there. Someone who has his or her life figured out, kind of rich, can afford this and that. The moment you become a celebrity, you can't go shopping at Gikomba, where I normally go shopping. You can't go picking things on the street because now Ulen is celeb. I still do that.
But I want to. I think maybe people are different because you'll get that some people are not also celebs, but they don't have time to do that.
Yeah.
So I think it's just the way you have decided to carry yourself, or maybe to handle yourself. You can do that even if you don't have money. There is none that knows you. You are not known apart from your family member and maybe some few friends that are as broke as you.
Exactly.
But you meet somebody and you wonder what's wrong with this guy. Yeah. So it actually, I think it depends with how you carry yourself, like you had said.
Yeah.
So I don't think a celeb or celebrity can make you not to shop in Gikomba.
People start talking. Definitely, people they don't lack something to say, and then they'll be like, "This guy is making money, and she's with us at Gikomba. See, and Mr. Price, and LC Waikiki. That I can't. Okay, I might, but I don't have that money. And then they'll need, now if you're a celebrity, they'll have to dig into your life. They want to know who are you seen with yesterday, where were you, and then that's why you.
And why were you there?
Why were you there? And now you don't have that private life that you need, and that's why I'm always on my mask 24/7. Surprisingly, other people still know me with my mask. I think I'm always avoiding the crowd because the fact that someone will remind me, I know you from TikTok, you do amazing. It's sure, it's there's encouraging words, but again, it's just too much. I can't take it.
Okay, but Is it not being far from your fans? Because at a given point you need also to be close to your fans, like you get what they are saying.
Yeah.
I know sometimes they can criticize what you do. I know that not all of them will support you.
Yeah, of course.
But mark my words, all of them are your fans. Those that are negative, both positive and negative, both are fans.
Sure.
Though they are on different sides. There are some people that will talk about positive things that you do, and some that will talk about negative things.
Okay.
So how do you ensure that you be close to your fans, or to you don't need them, you do that for fun? I
do it for fun anyway. Not until life just became difficult, and then we decided, let us commercialize whatever we do. And for instance, now people will start looking for me. Can you advertise this for us? Can you do this for us? Now we have to commercialize it. But the root cause is I'm doing it for fun. So as much as I'm doing it for fun, I'm really hoping one day it will get me somewhere. Yeah, and if I'm supposed to be checking what my fans want, then I won't be able to live the kind of life I want.
All right.
Yeah, so before I make sure my fans are happy, I also have to make sure I'm
happy.
I'm happy, rather than having my fans tell me, you need to do this.
Yeah.
That's not what I want. Yeah, so before I do whatever they want, I have to check with my own self, am I okay with that? Is it going to be of what importance, of what effect does it have, and then get to make a decision. But I really love my fans so much. They've gotten me places, maybe I don't get to mention it, but they've got me so many places, and I really appreciate them. I'm always loving them, however much I don't know. I might not know all of them, but I'm always appreciating them. And I'm always sorry I can't do exactly or everything they want. Things like going live, I believe I can just go live if I have something to say. I won't just go live and listen to music, because you can as well listen to music on your own in your house. I don't believe in just getting there and then people asking me questions. They might, and then I don't know, I just feel I need to have the content. Yeah, but when it comes to any other thing, I'll always do that. For instance, people are asking me, are you a lesbian? Because I'm always in shirts and the Godfather caps.
I wanted to ask that.
Yeah, and t-shirt and maybe t-shirt.
But I couldn't ask of the lesbianism. I wanted to ask why you decided to. I wanted to ask you, do you have the costumes for TikTok or something? Because anytime we meet, we've been meeting in different places that we cannot say here. But I've never seen you in such clothes.
Yeah, I'm always dressing for the occasion. And so weird, I'm always comfortable in male clothing. This is how it is. Told you I have an elder brother, 5 years older. So growing up, I used to be with him, just him alone, and maybe his friends. So his friends will come over. I didn't play with dolls the way ladies did. I played with balls and cars, toy cars, bricks. So when my friends were, doing chamama, chababa, I was here with brick games and this. When people were outside skipping rope, I was with football with these guys, and I don't know, I just grew up being a guy. So rather than having to sit this way, I'll have to sit this way. This is how comfortable I am, you see, because I always seated this way, and now it gives me, when it comes to dressing, now I'm in a skirt, I want to do this, and then I remember, oh, this is a skirt. Now I feel uncomfortable. And the fact that I grow up, my brother, she does some clothes, and then they're given to me. So I'm always somehow a tomboy, and then that's how I came to be very comfortable in male clothing rather than the ladies. I do put on dresses, but for the occasion, when I'm going to work Monday to Friday, I'm always in dresses, skirts. But when I'm behind the camera or meeting friends for a brunch, weekend away and everything, I'm always in that dressing you guys see on TikTok. My comfortable dressing.
All right, the person that I have here is VEROANN Salt. VEROANN Salt is doing a great job, great work on TikTok. When it reach a point that you see people are looking for you, know very well that you're doing a great job. What I'm always telling artists, sometimes you are an artist, you are at home, you are in Nairobi, you are in Mombasa, and then you start looking for celebs. It will take you time to reach those people. You do the great work, they'll look for you. Yeah, there are some people that are saying, how can I get into Churchill? Omar, give me connection to, I don't know, so and so. You do your work and
Do
do
it your
it
best.
perfectly.
Perfectly.
Yeah, don't just do it perfectly, and people will look for you. Now see this lady here, she has just been doing the TikTok thing, and today ilibidi nimtafute.
Na nimefurahi sana.
How do you feel?
Najisikia ni kama I've made it, you know. I'm so Mari, I've made it, and then I've met some of your friends who are also celebrities. I'm so happy by that. I really appreciate. Yeah.
But I also appreciate, because you know what you do is worth appreciable.
Thank you.
You get it?
Yeah.
Now, let me ask you, ushaanza kulipwa, ushaanza kupata kitu kwa TikTok, or have you don't laugh, it's a question, because you know, anytime we see you on TikTok, we think of money.
Yeah.
You see, people are seeing me on YouTube, and I'm very grateful. As we talk, I'm now at 14K? Yeah, 14K.
Wow.
Yeah, 14K. So you know, when people are seeing me, and when they are looking at my profile, they see it's amazing work, then they think of money. Yeah, this guy must be. Yeah, I remember there is a time that I went home, and you know, before I came to Nairobi, people were volunteering to do clips with me, you know, only because they were trending on the status.
Yeah.
So when they saw them also on YouTube, then people are like, Omari, tunaweza kuja to act, alafu utupe kitu kidogo.
They believe you're getting some.
So I was telling them that no, I'm not earning from YouTube. It's just my passion. And they're like, I know you can't say, we don't want your money, blah blah blah. Several things.
For TikTok,
can you imagine that I'm in the church and I'm taking the video, and people are like, okay, just take, you go and make money with.
And then you can't argue with them. You can't even start explaining.
We shika tu uende utengeneze pesa.
Pesa yenye utakula peke yako. Si angalau utapeleka sadaka.
So, you earning something?
No, I'm not. TikTok. Okay, I normally say it. TikTok doesn't pay unless you go live, which I don't. But then again, I'll say TikTok pays, because through TikTok, I think I've got, TikTok has gotten me to Ramogi TV. While I was there, I was asked how people can reach me, and I gave my phone number. People were, was kumiaring me.
But I was looking for your contact.
I said it in English, in the Luo, and in Swahili. French kanibago, but I did. I said. So I gave my number on air, and I think after that, people
started looking for you.
Yeah, I still get very many calls and texts. It's so overwhelming, by the way, but I have to cope up. And then still, I remember that there's this time comedian Umbuti was live, and then I joined his live. People were like, send us our number, send us your number. We need to send something kidogo. And then I gave them my number. They sent something kidogo. So I say,
they sent.
They did. I can't share with Umbuti. I can't tell him, because maybe he'd want some percentage.
Umbuti, you were supposed to go live. Umbuti, what is wrong with you? Umbuti, who should go live now? On TikTok.
Just go live. You call me, I'll be getting the sadaka.
Somebody to go live on TikTok. Are you going? Are you going?
It's through his life. By there, I got to pay my water bills and steamer.
Oh, people sent you something.
They did, yeah. They always say, let a number to school, make it kidogo, and they sure do keep their word. Yeah, really.
And then, from what you're doing, have you ever gotten maybe any advert or something?
Yeah, I have, but as I said, I don't believe in myself. So most of the time, we just get into an agreement, and then I tell them this is how we're going to do it, and then I tell them I just do it for free, and people get mad. How? What do you mean for free? What do you mean for free? So I think I'm going to come. I'm commercializing the very first one this week. I'm having a gig, a clothing line that needs me to do that, and it's really difficult having to place their pricing, because I feel like I should just do it
for free.
And then maybe they'll just decide she's helped us. Let us give her a token of appreciation. I feel like it's a sadaka thing.
No, it's high time.
Yeah.
You need to do something. It's high time. It's high time.
I'll really try.
Yeah.
It's difficult.
I know those people who are getting me are saying, well, Umari, don't poison that lady.
No, it's true.
Don't poison that lady. But it's true because, you know, I know very well that hapa Nairobi, vile watu wanasema, ni shamba la mawe.
Ni shamba la mawe?
Yeah, shamba la mawe. So you need to have something for you to move on.
And I can't depend entirely on my salary.
Yeah,
I need to have some other side gigs that are going to help me.
Yeah. All right. I love it. I love it when I see it that way. Now.
Yes.
I see Ninja. You know Ninja?
Yeah, Nginja. I know him.
Huh?
Ninja. Actually, it's Nginja. I have a problem in pronunciation. I normally just call him Nginja. Rogers. He's really
Ninja Rogers.
Yes.
He's a great friend of mine.
All right.
Yeah, and he's in Ramogi.
Yeah, he is. His effort, his effortless work, his hard work actually, and his passion has got him there.
Yeah.
Minus connections, that I'll say. That guy knows what he's doing. That's exactly what has got him there.
So you can't really say. Just say, okay, it's hard work.
It's hard work.
No connection.
Okay, might be because he started. So you have not seen him on billboards. He's advertised for Safaricom, I think 2 years ago, and then he's advertised for I don't know what. He's always on billboards, and this Ramogi was I don't know. I didn't expect it. Plus, it didn't come as a shock because he fits there. His hard work, I'm sure his hard work.
Yeah,
there.
but it's a suggestion that you should be helping him because you people are doing the same thing.
Yeah.
True. He loves rumba and he's doing it perfectly. But why is it that you've not been given a slot? Does it mean that you are not the person that is interested, or it has not come to their attention? Or something, because most of those people that have come across are suggesting that you should at least you should do the co-hosting.
I have 2 responses for that. The very first one I normally say, I think this one is what I use to kind of console myself and then make myself not to feel, you know, a bit of dog. So I normally say God's time.
Oh, God's time.
I always say God's time. Ile siku Mungu amepanga kwa itafika. Na anaweza kuwa hujapangia hiyo. Maybe God has other plans. Maybe might not be Ramogi, might be somewhere else, maybe something maybe in TV or maybe a radio station and something else. That's one.
And actually, even your language is so good, yeah?
I'm really struggling, especially English. I am not good at English.
Not really, but it's now. We've been talking for over 30 minutes.
I can,
and I see
in Belu, I can always try. So where I don't know something, I just do some Swahili.
All right.
I can mix it up. So yeah. So and the second one, I was there at Ramogi. I don't know. It was fun having him around, and it was fun for him having me around, and we had a very nice time. And there was that spirit. As much as at first I was kind of, you know.
I know.
Yeah, and then I got into the system, and we blended so well.
It was only for one day?
Yeah, it was one day. And you know, things don't just happen that way. If at all they were looking for someone, you know, there's some protocol, there's some criteria, and they also saw what I did. So you know, from what I did, they should be able to derive something. Maybe I might have misgotten some Luo words, or maybe I might have just done it so well, or maybe, you know, but that's an entertainment industry. I believe, as in, if you listen to Ramogi Radio, there's this guy at Rumba anaitwa K-Raf does Shem and Nini, yes, and he does Rumba so well. He doesn't stick to the Luo, and that's why it was so it was fun being there, because I'm not restricted. It's not that I don't know the Luo. I can speak. I can speak the Luo so well. Maybe some terms can be a bit difficult, but I can always mix them up. But I can as well do a good job if that opportunity shows up. I've not heard of anything as we speak, but if at all they'll need something, or I mean someone, I believe they'll reach out.
You're ready and you can do it.
I'm ready. I can do it.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe, you know, the other time when I went there, I was being hosted, so you won't expect me to give the same exact. It's like me coming to your live or radio station, and then it's like I'm the one who is.
I just say it's like you are on one-on-one. People expect me to be interviewing someone only to realize that
one is doing the other. So that's, you know, that is a bit difficult. I have to be, I'm being hosted, so I have to wait.
You have to be a guest.
I have to be a guest. I can't just go there and say, DJ, tupatie hii. Wacha niimbe acha nisakate hii. No. But if I told they needed something of that sort, if they reach out, I can as well give them that.
Okay.
That energy they need. Provided they don't say, you know, we're having a guest. When there's that guest thing,
you have to be a guest.
Humble myself.
You have to limit yourself to as a guest.
If they want me as a guest, they can bring me as a guest. But if they want me for that certain slot, they can as well just call it an interview, and then, you know, call me in, see what I can do. If I can't, I believe other people can do better.
All right.
Yeah.
That one is called VEROANN Salt.
VEROANN Salt.
VEROANN Salt. VEROANN Chumvi.
Chumvi.
VEROANN Chumvi. Nyumbani ni chumbi.
Chumbi.
Hey. Chumbi. VEROANN Salt. Chumvi. Yes. Chumvi. I really love it when we are with you this way. Lakini auja niambia, what are some of the challenges that maybe you are coming across that maybe you faced in this field, or it has been smooth since you began?
No, the very first one, the number one problem is people thinking I have money. And I'll tell you, straight from Ramogi, I had, and this I'm not kidding, I had 72 text messages. I had 168 WhatsApp messages. Okay, I didn't count the calls, but out of the 168 plus 72, 56 were asking for favors. You know, my babies are going to sleep hungry. My family is this. Kindly help me with this. Vero, you can do this. It was so difficult because as we were talking that time, hata sikuwa nimelipa rent, by the way. And then now I see someone texting and saying, nisaidie hata 3,000 tu. Nilipe rent yangu 2,000, hiyo tao nikule na watu hii. And then, God forgive me, I didn't even reply because now what do I say?
At that particular point, you are also struggling.
I'm also struggling, and I don't know, maybe they got it wrong. Maybe the fact that they saw me on TV, they think I was being paid.
Yeah,
it's different. It's different when you're called on TV. It's you showcasing. It's like they're selling you. They don't get to pay. You see, so if it was okay, at least hata hao ndo wangenirudishia shukrani kidogo. I've been entertaining people and stuff. So people thinking I have money is one thing that is really bothering me. And where I stay, I always have to place my mask here because I've had people asking me for jobs, and then I'm one lazy human being. I'm always waking up so late. No, naweza kuwa nimechoma kazi. No, I wake up so early. I wake up so early. It's just that I don't know how I get late. So I have to do motorbikes. So I'm always doing motorbikes, and they feel like mtu anatumia pikipiki kila time, huyu ako na pesa. And sometimes I'm just tired. I just need to rest. I don't have time to cook. I'll just take some chipo there or something. They feel like, apikangi, ama wafanyi hii, akona pesa. So I meet someone and nifanyie, that's one. Second, I can't just be me in public. They expect me to be exactly what they see on camera.
They want you to be singing and dancing.
At times they want me to be smart. Come on, I'm going to buy mandazi there. Sinikuwa tu na tracksuit na t-shirt na mimi niende malina sijachana nywele.
No, like now I'm hosting you. You are just in a t-shirt.
Yeah, I'm just in a t-shirt. But now they expect to see me in a shirt with the Godfather cape, you know, all dressed up. No, I can't do that.
Right.
Yeah. So those are some of the whatever, and then maybe the third one. I can't have a private life of my own. So everyone is getting to, you know, people are poking their noses. That guy she's working with, is he the one? You see, na jana nilimwona na ule mwingine, mbona huyu mwingine? Leo mbabas amekuja. That time my father came to visit me. Amekuwa na mbabas. Like it's okay.
Sometimes Omari ndo amekuja, anataka kufanya interview.
Ona yule ani celeb mwenzake. They have to do that. There's so many. But I think those are just some of them. But we have to cope up with them.
And from your point, I've also asked myself a question. Like,
is there someone? People always ask. Vitu kama hizo mnaanza tukianza hizo interview unauliza mara moja, tunajibu, tunafocus kwa vitu zingine.
Enda tu pole pole.
Because my finger is that we have
okay, unaniuliza mara moja tunajibu tunaenda.
Unauliza.
People are very keen. And if you want a place whereby people will be listening to, is that part. So it's not just something to us, then we go. No, you have to take your time to explain for us, especially after being a celeb. You are now a public.
Then what happens? A public figure. What happens when I say I just love that part of life? I just need it private. What happens?
We want to know. Because okay, I'm doing for you an interview, and maybe sometimes I'm interested. How? I may want to be living with the Roomba girl. Yeah.
You'll be the luckiest. I always say you won't get bored because I'm around. So yeah, there's someone.
So
there's someone, and I'm glad nowadays he just comes home and what he can do is some Roomba. Yani, you don't know how that feels. Yani, mpaka mtu ameanza kupenda Roomba, yani, because I'm always on Roomba. But I'm polyandrous. I can as well have you as the second.
Now you are talking.
Yes.
Now you are talking. That guy that okay. I want to believe that you are not one of my friends, because if you are, then you might turn to be my enemy. But no problem. You've said that you can accommodate us.
Yeah, I'm polyandrous. The same way you guys are believe in polygamy. Polyandrous. We can help each other. Si mnakaga mnasema ule mamani wa kulinda nyumba, tena tafuta wengine wa kulewa. Na wa kufanya hii.
So it's like you are telling this guy that
he's the main guy. No, hata huwezi loko katiba, huwezi badilisha katiba.
But you can have a side.
Not side, don't call it side. I'm really saying you can help each other.
You can help each other.
You guys can help. You guys, not me. You're not helping me in any way. He's helping me. But if I tell you, we need to have.
I'm now getting
you. Guys can help each other. Now you decide who is handling what. So you guys just sit and reach an amicable solution. And then
I cannot proceed. Take this time to talk to your fans, because I'm ending this live immediately. I'm ending it.
Oh, you've been disappointed.
I can't proceed.
Too bad.
No.
But we can solve this behind the camera, as in off the camera.
Then if it's off the camera, then we should end it as fast as possible.
As soon as now.
just take the shortest time possible to talk to your fans. At least you appreciate them, because I know they've been helping you to reach where you are. I always remind artists that usione kwa umeomoka. Unaona, those people that maybe you don't want to talk to, you don't want to be close to, are those that have helped you to be where you are today. You know, so in all the occasions, remember that your kings are your fans. You get it?
Yeah, that's true.
Whether they are negative or positive, you just appreciate them.
Apparently it's because of them I'm wherever I am right now.
Yeah, exactly.
Without them, I wouldn't be anywhere.
Not because of Mary. I'm only one person. Even if I leave you and I leave you with 60, 65 people, you know, I'm only one person. Yeah. So you're gonna lose nothing. But if you lose them and you stick unto me, then you lose. I know.
Yeah, that's true.
So talk to them.
So I'll be honest, I'm not a motivational speaker. I normally see people, you know, that talk to your fans and be like, "Mazenyi watu mazee life ni ngumu." It's true. As in, I don't need to come and repeat what everyone else normally says.
It's not easy outside there.
It's not easy outside. Huku nje ni ngumu, huku nje wapi? Everywhere ni ngumu. No. Everywhere ni ngumu. So I won't tell you this is how hard it is, because definitely you have experienced it. And if you've not, I don't know. Mr. Kambati, you will experience it. No, kila mtu akona nyota yake. Unatoka shule upate kazi. Mwingine anatoka atembee. So anything you can do it best.
Do it perfectly.
Anything perfectly. And anything you want to do, anything you feel like you want to do, as in just anything that comes into your soul, you feel like, I need to do this. Provided it doesn't hurt anyone. Provided it doesn't get you into any trouble. My dear, just do it. Anything positive, see Koiba. Okay, Koiba definitely gets you into trouble, hurts somebody else. But if you can do something, do it. If you can do something to give you money, to make hii life ikakuwa ni kama everything is money. Money is everything by Rate Chochane. if you can do anything to get money, do it. Don't steal, don't do anything, provided it doesn't go against someone else, it doesn't hurt someone else, it doesn't degrade someone else, provided it makes you happy and it doesn't hurt someone else, it doesn't interfere with the other person. Just
do it.
Number one thing, huyu Mungu, I'm always with my rosary. I don't choose religions. Mungu ni mmoja. That's why it's never out of this. Mungu, without friends, without money, without nini, before to consider Mungu akuwe your number one best friend. Have your one-on-one conversation with God. Make him your best friend. He listens. I know he's listened to me. I'm so sure he listened to you. If you bless God fast, there's nothing that's going to be on your way. Na zikikuja ni obstacles zingine ndogo zikufanya upate the right way.
Yeah.
So I'm not going to be a motivational speaker. All I can tell you is do what you can do effortlessly, do your best, and do it perfectly. Your time will come, everything will work so well, and as the Bible says, love your neighbors, you love yourself. Number one commandment, love. Penda kila mtu. Asanteni.
But nowadays people are misusing the name God. Eti ni Mungu tu.
Ni Mungu tu.
Mtu anaiba, ni mwizi. Unamuuliza ulipata wapi? Ni Mungu tu manze. Na hard work.
Yeah.
Hard work wapi na wewe ni mwizi.
Imagine too, and then too bad you can't just say it's me nilifanya hii na hii.
Ni Mungu tu.
Don't hurt anyone. Don't hurt anyone.
All right, the person that was bringing this one here, I'm called MC Omari Nash. For those people who are understanding French, I'm called MC Omari Nash. Kongudi nigi chake kore kubni ariyo topoti chwako strong tea. Or Omari chieno jemu mbele. Wan chiene mwana no mbele mwayoko. Chiene mwangeyo mbele mweti yoko.
Better than no. I apologize to your father on your behalf.
So I'm okay, Veron Salt.
Yes.
Utasema pale every Saturday tuko live na MC Omari Nash kuanzia saa 3 usiku.
Nisema Kiswahili ama Kizungu ama nini?
I'm a learned guy, ni vile tu sina kazi. So I don't like this question of niseme kwa Kizungu. I understand them. You talk hata kama ni Chinese. Chiliet pa kwe chai. Yeah. I know even.
Sio nini nimeshikanisha hiyo.
Tong mi toliet pa, you know? Yeah. All the languages. Even hata kama ni Kisi, I understand all the language so long as it's within okay.
Hapo do. Where you go?
Within the world.
Yes, every Saturday we are live with MC Omari. Starting what time again?
Sato.
Sato
ni 9 p.m. Watu wa Mombasa lazima ni wakubwe.
You guys don't forget to subscribe also on his channel. Please follow us, follow him, follow me. Kindly.
Enda pale TikTok
every Saturday. Kwa live ya Omari.
Yeah.
MC Omari.
Nash.
Saa 3.
Wait, don't be so limited. MC Omari Nash.
MC Omari Nash, Kongudi nigichak kore litario topocha korungi. You guys are got it. Msikose kukua kwa live. Kila Saturday saa 3. Asanteni.
Very grateful. Let's meet next time. Same place, same time.